Okay, it's finally time for day 5, and that means that this is your last day of Unit 8, Week 1. So let's start it off like we already know you're going to. We're going to practice our sounds. Just like yesterday, I'm going to show you some letters, and I want you to tell me the picture. And try and only say the picture. So this is ink. What picture helps you remember ink? Pink. Awesome. Ooh, R. Car. Good job. Up. Ung. Lung. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to review some trick words. As the words fly onto the screen, you're going to say the word with me. This is wood. Also. Very. To. Put. Said. To. Could. There. Were. Here. Who. Where. Are. When. All right, get those fingers out because I'm going to try and fool you. I'm going to say a word and you're going to touch it. And then my mouse is going to show you where you should be. Find here. Right here. Find very. All the way up here. When. Go down to the bottom corner. Good job. Would. That's your first word. To, like the number. Oh, you should be right here. T-W-O is the number. Said. Right here. Could. Good job. Last one. Put. Woohoo! Good job. Okay, pause your video. Go get something to write on. Alrighty, now that you have something to write on, let's do some words. Remember, this week we're talking about consonant blends. Consonant blends are not diagraphs because I hear both sounds. And there's also going to be 2 cards, 2 taps. It's a blend, not a diagraph. Our first word we're going to do is flap. Say that word. Flap. Tap it. Flap. Pause. Build your word. Okay, your word was flap. For your you should have put in F, O, L, A, P, P. We're only going to worry about marking up these consonant blends today. So I'm going to get my pen out and go ahead and tell me what's my consonant blend. The F and the L. Remember, they get their own 2 lines because when I tapped it, I tapped each letter. O. Very good. Okay, let's build another one. Crib. Say that word. Crib. Tap that word. B. Crib. Pause and go build. Okay, your word is crib. For K. It's going to be a C. If you put a K, that's okay. I'm glad that you know that K says K. But in crib, it is a C. B. And remember, we're only worrying about those consonant blends today, so go ahead, yell out, what's my consonant blend? It's the C and the R, so they each get their own line because I tapped K. 2 taps, 2 sounds. Awesome. Let's do bent. Say that word. Bent. Tap it. B-E-N-T. Bent. Pause your video. Go build. All right, first grade, your word was bent. What did you put for B? B-E-N-T. Very good. Go ahead and tell me what is my consonant blend that I'm going to mark up? The N, the T. Good job. We're going to do one more. Your word is grab. Say that word. Grab. Tap it. G-R-A-B. Grab. Pause your video. Go make grab. Okay, your last word was grab. What did you put for G? A G. R. A. B. B. Oh, goodness. And first, B. There we go. First grade, tell me what is my consonant blend I'm going to mark up? The G and the R. Good job. Okay, last thing we're going to do, we are going to build a sentence. So your sentence is, Bill fell in some sand. Say that sentence with me. Bill fell in some sand. I'm going to move my frames up. Tall one because I have to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence. Bill fell in some sand. And then this sentence gets a period because I'm just telling you that he did that. Okay, here's your hint from Mrs. Berry. Don't forget your bonus letters. Pause this video and go write Bill fell in some sand. Okay, let's check your sentence. Your first frame is tall because we have to put a capital letter at the beginning. So when I type Bill, I have to have a capital B, I, O. And here's why Mrs. Berry gave you that hint, because my bonus letters. I have a short vowel I have to double my L. So Bill, B-I-L-L. Fell, O. That word should look funny to you too, because it also needs a bonus letter. My E is short. In some sand. When I say sand, I hear S. I hear a glued sound, and duh. So that's sand. And this last frame, don't forget about it. You got to have a period. So Bill fell in some sand. All right, have a good day.